Claude Code 2.1 243, lighter installs, clearer loop usage, and a login option for teams that block API keys. Chatty loop tasks can quietly burn through tokens. The usage command now breaks each loop down. Run count, total tokens, tokens per run, and its last run, so a runaway task jumps out immediately. Native installs shrink from 340 megabytes to about 75 thanks to better compression. Long sessions also use 40 to 70 megabytes less memory, since code now loads on demand instead of staying resident the whole time. Organizations that don't allow API keys now have another way in. Under Login, choose signing in with your console account. Recommended, and no key required. Quick plug, I built a side project called VibeMon. It quietly tracks your Claude Code activity, your focus time, your projects, your streak, and turns it into a slime that's yours. It's free at vibemon.dev. That's 2.1.243. Smaller installs, clearer loops, easier sign-in. Everything that matters. Every release. Subscribe.